Let me tell you something. If you are baking with vibes, a dash of this, a dash of flour, a dash of salt, or baking powder, you're setting yourself up for a disaster. Like cake ingredients, you've got to measure it properly and correctly. If you watch my video where I go in detail on cake ingredients, you'll understand the importance of making sure that you use your ingredients properly. So you need to be able to measure. Now, if you look at different recipes, they will usually come in two different weighing formats. They might come in metrics, which is like in grams or kilograms, or in some countries like the USA, the use of cups is quite popular. Personally, and this is what I do, and what I would advise you is to measure in grams because it is more accurate. 10 grams is 10 grams, whereas 1 cup may not actually be the same because cups, there's a little bit more to it. So I would say get a weighing scale, a digital weighing scale. Now, this is one equipment that doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to be functional.